ShareFactory Studio Snippets for noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. Now let's have a look at how to change text opacity. Now in the text menu, we can just go across to opacity, and using the left stick we can move the cursor left or right, and going all the way to the left will make it more transparent, all the way to the right less transparent. And once you're happy with it, you just push the X button to confirm. Let's go back to the text menu, and there is a second option. If we go into color, we can also change opacity in the color section as well. So you can change the color exactly how you want it, and then using the D-pad you can move the opacity all the way to the left or to the right, again to change the transparency for it. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.